Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.